but let's wait and see the outcome. I believe it's going to come back. It's going to reverse at this point. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, so I won this trade. Like I said, I said that this is a strong resistance area. Okay, I place a trade here. All right, so I place another trade because it might reverse here because of all these aforementioned reversal. Okay, so I've won the second trade. Okay, so actually it was a risk I took. All right, it could have actually broken out of this zone. All right, this resistance zone could have broken out, but because of the hello traders, how are you today? Welcome once again to my channel. I trust you are doing very great. I'm so happy to be here once again. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe so that you'll be one of the first to be notified when I upload a new video. All right, thank you very much, and let us dive in. As always, I try as much as possible to make my chart look simple. I do not use a lot of indicators like many other people would do, and although those that have several indicators on their charts is working for them, that's their style of trading, but for me, I try to make it simple. I know that all those other indicators are lagging indicators. Whatever you see happening here is what you are going to see happening in the other indicators. So I use my horizontal line along with price action to analyze the market before I place a trade. All right, and if it's trending down, I would love to look for a sell trade. All right, I will never go against the trend. It's often said that the trend is your friend. If it's trending down, you look for a sell trade. If it's trending up, you look for a buy trade. All right, so this is trending down. If I'm to trade this, I'll only be looking for opportunities to sell. All right, so let me check another pair. Great Britain pound and Japanese yen. It has been on this support. It has been reversing from this support here. It's broke out of here, came back and reversed, came back here and reversed, came back here and reversed, and here it's trying to break out of this support area, but let's see, because it has not really broken out completely. So taking a trade here, taking a sell trade here will be risky. But if you look down here, there are others here. See, there's a support here as well. So it will be risky to place a sell trade here because of the buyers at this level, because of the buyers here. Okay, so let me check another pair, euro and Great Britain pound. This is not okay to trade. Let me check euro USD once again. All right, with this euro USD, it's trying to break out of this resistance zone, and if it breaks out of this resistance zone, I'll have to wait for it to come back to retest this zone, and when it retests and there is a reaction from the buyers, because it is now resistance, when it breaks out of this resistance will now become a support. All right, so when it breaks out of this resistance and comes back to retest the now support and it's going up, then I'll place a buy trade. As it is now, I cannot trade this one. Okay, now this one is actually going down, but I have to be very patient, very careful at this point. Okay, now I want to draw my support, my resistance and support line here. Okay, all right, now this is a good resistance area. It's likely to reverse at this point, but it is strongly going up. One has to be patient here. And also let me draw my support, sorry, here. Okay, now it's want to break out of this place, but I just have to be patient to be sure it's not a false breakout, because it could be a false breakout. Okay, I have to be checking all of them. Okay. All right, so let me stick to this one because it was going up. It was actually going up, and now it's on the sideways, and now it's going up again. And so let's see what happens here. Now the close of this candle will determine whether it will continue to go up or it's going to come back into this ranging area. Okay, so we have to be patient to wait to see the outcome of the formation of this candlestick. All right, so it's coming back in. Okay, so I will not place any trade here, just have to wait to be sure it has really broken out. Okay, I have to be patient at this point. Well, let me check others. Okay, this one is not okay, so let me change it to another pair. I'm not seeing what I want to see. To be a successful binary option trader, you need to be very, very careful and be patient for the right time, the right formation, the right area to buy or sell. Okay, this is not a good one for me. I have to look for another one. Okay, let's see. See this one. Oh, nope. Not okay. Okay, let's see. I think this is trending down, so this is an opportunity for me. All right, let me quickly draw my resistance here and my support. Okay, let me draw my support. This is I think I'm going to get a good opportunity here. Okay, so when it gets to this point, I'm going to place a sell trade. Let it go up again. Let's see, because it has been reversing at this point. Okay, let it go up. Then I'm going. Oh, I was so fast. Okay, but let's wait and see the outcome. I believe it's going to come back. It's going to reverse at this point. Okay. All right, let's see. Because I placed this, although I was so quick to enter, but because of it has been reversing at this point, you can see it's reversed here. So this is a strong seller's zone. All right, so there's a possibility that it's going to reverse just as others reverse at this point. But let's wait for the outcome. I believe I'm going to win this trade. It's going to come down, but let's wait and see. Okay. Okay, so still going up and down. Okay, so I won this trade. Like I said, I said that this is a strong resistance area, and that was why it's reversed at this point. Now let's see whether I'll get another opportunity. It's actually trending down again. So I won the first trade, so I'll be looking for one more trade or two, because if I win the next one, then I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm going to wait till the next time. All right, but if I lose the next one, then I'm going to trade one more time. Then I'll call it a day. Okay, so let me check another pair. Okay, let me go back to that. Now, look at this again. It's been reversing here from the support area as well. Excuse me. Let's see. It could reverse here, but at this time I really have to be careful because it could break out of this. I haven't seen the reversal at this point several times, so I just have to be careful at this point. It could reverse here, and it could also reverse here. It could break out, and it could also break out at this point. So we need to be careful and then watch the outcome. Maybe I have to pause the video, and then when I see the opportunity, I'll place a trade. But let me be a little bit patient to see the behavior of this candlestick. 41. Let's see. Okay, I place a trade here. All right, so I place another trade because it might reverse here because of all these aforementioned reversal. Okay, it could also reverse at this point. It could also reverse, but I just took the risk. That was the risk I took. But if I lose this trade, I'm going to take another trade. That will be the last one. But let's see what happens at this point. Whether it's going to break out or it's going to come back in. But with my analysis, with what has been happening here, I cannot say 400% that it's going to break out or it's going to come back in. But because of what had been happening here, so I believe it's going to come back inside. But let's wait and see the outcome. Okay. Let's wait and see. 7. Okay, so I've won the second trade. Okay, so actually it was a risk I took. All right, it could have actually broken out of this zone. All right, this resistance zone could have broken out, but because of the presence of the sellers here, it's a strong area. It's not difficult for the buyers to push the price out of this resistance zone. So that was why I took the trade here. It was its risk actually took, because it could have actually broken out, and it could have actually broken out from here, but I won the trade. So I have won 2 trades, the first one and the second one, and I wouldn't want to take another trade, because that is my rule. That's my strategy. That's my trading plan. That if I win the first 2 trades, I'm not going to take any more trades. So I think at this point I am going to end this trading session. All right, thank you very much for staying tuned till this time. You can see how I made my chart look so simple. The indicators are not much. In fact, there is no indicator except the horizontal line, and I use the price action along resistance and support zone to place my trades. You can do the same as well. All right, but if you want to use indicators, you are at liberty to use however indicators you want to use. Indicators work for whoever wants to use it if you know how to use the indicators. But as for me, I'm comfortable with using the horizontal line along with price action around support and resistance zone. Hope you found this trading session informative. If you have any question or any comment, please drop it in the comment section, and I will do well to reply to your comment. Thank you very much. As always, subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and every week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I'm going to be trading and sharing my trades with you so that you can learn. If you want to be a consistent, profitable Forex trader, this platform is for you. You're going to learn more on how to trade and be making profit consistently. You can make a living trading binary options if you know what to do, if you know the places to place your trades, if you know how to really analyze the candlestick formation, candlestick patterns, if you know how to use price actions, to place your trades along with support and resistance and horizontal lines, you can really make consistent profits every day. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.